Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a card to Google Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding a card to Google Wallet is a straightforward process. To do it, simply head over and open up your Google Wallet application. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the Add to Wallet option. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the payment card or credit or debit card, and then once you do that, enter the card details, or you can either use your phone's camera to scan your card or enter the card details manually. Then next is to verify your card. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification. Then verification may involve receiving a code via SMS, email or phone call from your bank. Then once verified, your card will be added and you can now use it for contactless payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.